Welcome guys, today I will unbox a gaming keyboard from ABCO, the ABCO Hacker Premium Arc Edition featuring optical switches and RGB. Let's see what's inside. Opening the box, we get the keyboard itself covered with this plastic protector case and some included accessories that you can use for maintaining and cleaning the keyboard, which I will show you guys later. ABCO is a Korean brand that specializes in computer gaming peripherals such as mouse, keyboards, speakers, headsets, and even gaming chairs. The ABCO Hacker K660 Arc Premium Edition is available in 3 colors like black, yellow, and red, and it features the Kail optical switch, which is a good compromise for a mechanical switch at this given price point of around $40 in South Korea. Here you can see the difference between the standard edition on the left and the Premium Arc Edition on the right. The Premium Arc Edition features this transparent, interchangeable panel in which you can customize your own design and place it on top right side of the keyboard. Unfortunately, this service is only available in South Korea, and I saw a lot of computer shops utilizing this feature to print their own company logos on the panel. The keyboard features rainbow LED, side LED made of acrylic, and the aforementioned Kail optical switch, and an anti-slip pad. Here you can see the other features of the keyboard like quick swap of the keycaps, Windows lock key, multimedia hotkeys, an IP68 rating, and full N-key rollover. The ABCO website also shows the differences between the linear and click types present in some of their keyboards. The ABCO K660 Arc Premium Edition that I got is the click type, which I will demonstrate later on in the video. The keyboard is rated with IP68, which means it can withstand dust, dirt, and sand, and are resistant to water submersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. This means minor splashes of liquid will not be a problem if you use this keyboard. ABCO also made available a mechanical K660 Arc Edition featuring Otemu Blue switches. I reviewed another ABCO keyboard featuring an Otemu switch, which you can see from the description down below. There is not much of a physical difference between the mechanical and optical editions except the switches inside the keyboard. This is how the keyboard actually looks, protected by the plastic case. You can opt not to throw it out and use it to protect the keyboard against dust when not in use. The included accessories include the keycap remover, a small brush, switch remover, and a manual. And a sticker in Korean. The keyboard is 446 by 138 by 37 millimeters in size, and it's made up fairly of plastic, but it feels sturdy due to a metal backplate inside. Overall, the keyboard weighs around 1.2 kilograms. The USB plug is gold plated and the cable is braided. You can see that the build quality of the cable is really good, and it is very resilient to tangles and easy to organize using this included Velcro tie. After plugging in the keyboard, it lights up immediately, and you can see that it is in its default profile. It is possible to change the RGB profiles on the keyboard, but unfortunately, it is not programmable. You can change the built-in pattern by pressing the function key plus any number from 1 to 0. The height can be adjusted using the flip-out fit found under the keyboard, which is also equipped with an anti-slip rubber pad. On the side, you can see the acrylic strip, which is also RGB. Here is a comparison between the Kyle optical switch and the Otemi mechanical switch in terms of the clicking sound. Replacing the keycaps and the switches are pretty straightforward using the included keycap and switch remover. Remember to use the plastic one to remove the keycaps and the metal one to remove the switch. That's it for my review of the ABCO Hacker K660 ARC Premium Edition Kyle Optical Switch RGB Gaming Keyboard. Thanks for watching, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.